Welcome. Today I'm with Amazon Fire TV Stick and I'll show you how we can download and install apps. So when you are on the home screen, you have to grab your remote control, and right now you have to scroll down and go for the right side. We have to select this icon, this one. Right now we have to go for App Store. Next, we have to go for the search in the left upper corner, click OK, and right now you are able to input name of the application that you want to install. So I would like to get YouTube, for example, so you have to just type by using your remote control. And then if you want to go for the search, you have to just scroll down and select the name of the application. So we are going for this one. And here we have YouTube, so we have to select by tapping on the middle button and then click OK. Now just wait. Click OK one more time when you have this kind of the notification. As you can see, installation process is on the way, so we have to be patient. And here we are, the application is downloaded, so we can simply open it. As you can see, the YouTube is working, and right now if you wonder where you can get it, where you can find it, so just go back for the home screen. Yeah, we can exit from the YouTube and it will appear just right here on this app list. But if you don't have it here, you have to scroll down and then select this icon to open all apps. And right here you will find it for 100%. So yeah, that's how you can download and install application on Amazon Fire TV Stick. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.